You have extra rice left over from the night before, don't know what to do with it? Stick around and I'll show you what I like to do. Welcome back, guys. Sean here with the garlic and butter guy. This recipe right now is super easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's just your simple fried rice. Now, the rice we're using is leftover. The reason why we're using the leftover one, because it's already cold and it's already hard. If you use one that you just recently made, by all means go ahead, but it works a lot better when the rice is cold and dry. And it goes a little something like this. Wok on high. All right, I already had this preheated. We're going to go ahead and use some neutral oil. I have about 4 heads of garlic that's been minced. Now your pre-made leftover rice goes in.
Of course you make a mess.
Of course I make a mess. All right, so the rice is clumpy. That's very normal, right? So just move it around. Let it warm up. When it warms up, you beat it down. I have rice going everywhere, bro. It's like an explosion of rice. Much respect to the wok masters out there. Open up that rice. Let it get nice and hot. All right, so I'm gonna spread this open just like that, and I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Come back, give it a mix. You see how all that clumpy rice is not now all loose and beautiful.
Well, by the time you finish this recipe, you're not gonna have any rice left. I just keep seeing it fly out.
Bro, it's not easy. Why am I moving left and right, left and right, left and right? I think that coffee kicked in right now, finally. All right, so we're gonna go light soy sauce. Couple of spoons, teaspoons, and 1 nice generous tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I have some carrots and some peas, previously frozen. We're gonna add that last minute.
How much easier with that one?
Huh? With this one, huh? Now I have vegetables flying out of the wok. Fire's off. How simple, right? Just from leftover rice. So I have a little bit of green onion. We'll chop the white one as well. Set this aside. Take this. They do crazy stuff like that, bro. Like this. That. Obviously, I can't do it, but there we go. A little bit of green onion. Look at that, folks. Literally what? Maybe a minute? Some fried rice left over from last night. Really good, really simple. All right, bro, I'm digging in.
Dig in.
Dig in. You know what? I have my chili oil that I make at home. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Look at that.
Cheers.
You want?
No.
Bang. Nah. Fine here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Give it a try. Sean here, garlic and butter guy. If you're new, hit that subscribe. Ringo-dingle that bell. You have extra rice left over from. Don't know what to do with it? Stick around. I'm gonna show you. Welcome back, guys. Sean here. It's just garlic. And the reason why we're using the leftover one, all right, beautiful. I don't know how I give up.